Hi guys, welcome back. Another DIY of this beautiful side table. Absolutely stunning. If you want to see this end result of this table, stay right tuned and let's go in. Thank you for stopping by. If you're not subscribers yet, go ahead, press the notification bell. If you are a subscriber already, thank you for being here. Let's jump straight into it. Using this firm tube, which I got from Lowe's, but you also Home Depot or any hardware store sells it. This is a 12-inch tube. What I did, I measure the height I wanted, and my husband cut it for me. He used the painter's tape on it so that it don't have a jagged edge when he cut it with the saw. So here he is. Thank you, huzzy, for cutting this for me. It's very easy to cut, but I like him to do these things for me. So let's go. He's just cutting it firmly, and it's going to give you such a smooth transition of cutting, just like what we need to get a good complete end result. So here he did cut 2 inches. He cut both. I did not want it in half. I did 24 inches and height, and then I can use the other piece for another DIY. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Using the liquid nails, I put on the tube, and then I just placed these mats I got them from IKEA, and I'm going to show you later down the description, so you can go ahead and screenshot it if you want to achieve this color. They also come in there for another color, wooden color, but they did not have it at the time when I went to IKEA, so I chose the black. So I'm just placing it on and pressing it firmly to the tube. What I also did is use painter's tape to hold it firmly to the tube and let it sit about for 4 hours until it is not completely, but was not able to move from where I had it. So here I'm just placing the top. I'm going to do one side first and then go back and do the other side. So don't forget to use the painter's tape to hold it firm to the tube, because it can slide. Remember, it's a round object, and so you can move. So use the tape to hold it in place. And the liquid nails, trust me, it is absolutely amazing. It did an amazing job for this DIY, and it hold in place perfectly. I use the other tape again here and just do the same routine, holding it firm. Hold the tube firm and placing the tape as tight as possible so it can stay where I want it. So let it sit here for 4 hours and come back and place on the other side. And trust me guys, this is so easy to do, and you don't need a saw or anything. It fit perfectly, because what I did is just use a scissors to cut off the remainder of what I did not want to complete the circular shape. Yeah, that shape. So here is it. This is what I use. You can go ahead and screenshot it right here, and this is what I use. And the backing is like fabric. I'm going to show you right now. This is the back, so you can just cut between the wood and cut the fabric with a scissors. Perfect every time. So after doing both sides, I put the tape all around the whole circular shape and let it set overnight to set perfectly. Then I use this round table topper from Lowe's again, but you can get it from wherever you desire. I just cut the plastic off, and what I did not stick it on one time here. What I did is I just take it outside, put it on top the table while I'm building, and give it about 3 light coats of black gloss spray paint. I don't think I show in the video which I use the sealer to put on the top of the table, the glaze sealer. I'm gonna put the description of it in the comments, so you make sure you seal it, so in case water or anything throw around the wood, it can just slide off. Then I went along and used the liquid nails again, place it on top of the circular shape, and bam, put it on the top, put it on the circle on the top, and pew, that's it, guys. Oh my god, I am so in love with this table. This can be done for a baby shower, party, event. You can spray it white, you can do whatever. Choices are a lot. You can do so many things with this DIY. So your choice, you can make it taller, shorter, whatever you decide, bigger. You can make it as a dining table, use two sides and put a square on the top. You know, the sides are beautiful. But guys, see you on the next one. I hope you like it. Bam, don't forget to subscribe, notification bell, do all those good stuff, leave a comment. See you on the next one.